Morning. Right, I don't think I've got any warrants on this week, so today I'm heading down to see my mate Martin down at GJ Locks in Hatfield. Just get a window handle off him. I've got a job over in Watford to do. So yeah, just popping over to get that off him, and then get onto the job. Probably have a cup of tea and whatnot and a chat as usual. And then, oh, right, that's a bit, yeah, and then get onto the job. So yeah, that's all I've got booked in at the moment. As I said, this is like a contract job sort of thing. There's nothing that's come in, nothing new that's come in. On Sunday I did a job. That was a wing house, failed gearbox. Again, that was an existing customer, so nothing new come in again. So I did get a reply from Google. They said I'm still not eligible, so I've sent them another one back to try and get it reinstated. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, yeah, on my way to go and see Martin. So catch you guys later. Right, I'm in the back of the van now. Been to the window lock job. Customer's got the lock. It's all busted. It's come off here. Now this, apparently this, I phoned up Mila, and I don't know if you can see it. Apparently this lock is actually discontinued. But looking at the parts, it looks like this bit has literally just come off. So I'm going to see if I can re-rivet it on and see if I can get it to work. So yeah, let's see what happens. Catch you guys later now. So all fixed and working. So, oh, can you get that? It's operating it. Operating the whole thing. So yeah, repaired and working. Quality. Here's a working window. New handle and repair this bag. I'm just on my way to a blacksmith to pick up a bit of angle line. So I'm going to a job in Cambridgeshire that's had a door which has been forced open. A mortice lock that's been forced open, so I've got to go there and just make it all good, make it look nice, and make it strong and secure. So yeah, when I go up there, hopefully I'll get a bit of footage for you and see what I'm doing. Right. This is the door. It's been mashed up. I've got to make it all good. I come doing this job, repair that frame. Basically started off with a big hunk of metal like this, and so far what I've got down to now is I've got it down to this now. It's marking out the keep. Just give it a little polish up because I'm going to spray it, and yeah, so once it's done, you see how it looks. Chain drilling hard, so yeah. Getting there, hands getting a bit sore. See, it will come out eventually, so getting there. And here you have the finished article. Now, I left the box in the back there. The reason why I did that is just in case somebody tries to attack the back of the lock by smacking the bolt in. They can't, because I left the box in the back. It's all painted. Paint's gone off nicely, and that, my friends, is solid. No one's going to get in there easy. Door shuts, locked up. Job is a good one. So there you have it. So I repair a smashed in door to make it more secure.